in 7th grade.
Even though I hadn't met love yet, if love had wandered into my homeroom, I would have recognized it at first glance. Love wore a hemp necklace.
I would have recognized her at first glance. Love wore a tight French braid.
Love played acoustic guitar and knew all my favorite Beatles songs.
Love wasn't afraid to ride the bus with me.
And I knew. I just must be searching the wrong classroom.
Just must be checking the wrong hallways. She was there, I was sure of it.
If only I could find him.
But when Love finally showed up, she had a bowl cut.
She wore the same clothes every day for a week.
Love hated the bus.
Love didn't know anything about the Beatles.
Instead, every time I tried to kiss Love, our teeth got in the way.
Love became the reason I lied to my parents.
I'm going to Aunt's house. Love waited by the phone because she knew if her mother picked up it would be...
Hello? Hello? I guess they hung up.
And Love grew.
Stretched like a trampoline.
Love changed.
Love disappeared. Slowly. And when Love finally reappeared, I barely recognized him.
Love smelled different now, had darker eyes.
A broader back. Love came with freckles I didn't recognize.
New birthmarks, a softer voice.
Now there were new sleeping patterns.
New favorite books.
Love had songs that reminded him of someone else.
Songs Love didn't like to listen to.
So did I.
But we found a park bench that fit us perfectly.
We found jokes that made us laugh.
And now Love makes me fresh homemade chocolate chip cookies.
But Love will probably finish most of them before midnight snack.
Love looks great on injury, but still likes to wear her retainer.
Love is a terrible driver, but a great navigator.
Love knows where she's going. It just might take her 2 hours longer than she planned.
Love is messier now.
Not as simple.
Love uses the word boobs in front of my parents.
Love chews to love.
Love leaves the cap of the toothpaste.
Love uses smiley faces in her text messages.
And turns out,
Love shits.
But Love also cries, and Love will tell you, you are beautiful.
And mean it.
Over and over again.
You are beautiful.
When you just wake up.
You are beautiful.
When you've just been crying.
You are beautiful.
When you don't believe it.
You are beautiful.
When you don't want to hear it.
You are beautiful.
When nobody else will tell you.
You are beautiful.
Love still thinks you are beautiful.
But love is not perfect and will sometimes forget.
When you need to hear it most.
You are beautiful.
Do not forget this.
Do not forget this.
Love is not who you were expecting. Love is not something you can predict.
Maybe love is in New York City, already asleep. Maybe you're in California, Australia, wide awake. Maybe love is always in the wrong time zone.
Maybe love is not ready for you. Maybe you are not ready for love.
Maybe love just isn't the marrying type.
Maybe the next time you see love is 20 years after the divorce. Love looks older now, but just as beautiful as you remember.
Maybe love is there only for a month.
Maybe love is there for every firework, every birthday party, and every hospital visit.
Maybe love stays.
Maybe love can't. Maybe love shouldn't. Love arrives exactly when love is supposed to, and love leaves exactly when love must.
When love arrives, say,
Welcome! Make yourselves comfortable. If love leaves, ask her to leave the door open behind her.
Turn out the music, listen to it quiet.
Whisper,
Thank you for stopping by.